मन जावे मैनू शॉपिंग करा दे
रिक्वेस्टा पाइयां वे
You're my darling angel, baby. White kalaya drives me crazy.
Today, if we make this, girls may not like it. That why are we asking the guy? क्यों request करूँगी मैं shopping? I'll go and do it myself. Hi, I'm Manmeet.
I'm Armeet
with the Meet Bros.
and you're watching us on
Mashable Store 4.
चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ओ बेबी मेरी
So we'll start playing you individual tracks and we can discuss.
First is the rhythm pattern, which was the most, which was like the backbone of this. जिस पे आप डांस करते हो. It's that rhythm, heavy rhythm pattern.
So this claps played a very big important role because it gave you a little cut, dance cut.
Indian.
This is the Indian rhythm.
Indian rhythm नीचे इसके वाला है next step.
इसके अंदर जो अब इसके अंदर एक swing आएगा अभी. That changed quite a game because this was also enough. If you see, people can dance on this. Whenever you get a pulse.
It's very important. This
swing. Tatang. So it's like a small roll.
It goes like.
Tatang. It's like. So this is the swell. Oh. And here comes the bass. Kept it very low.
We had a different pattern, but then Saurav Roy, he programmed this bass line and we loved it.
This was the melody. The sweet melody.
Abhijit Gadve is a guy who worked on these.
You're my darling angel, baby. White kalaya drives me crazy. Shiny eyes, glitter, glitter, glittery. You're the light that makes me go hazy.
So very Caribbean. We wanted to keep that kind of a tone also. Like it was not my actual original tone. You're my darling angel, baby. White kalaya drives me crazy. But if I have to sing normally, I would sing like You're my darling angel, baby. White kalaya drives me
Crazy. Shiny eyes, glitter, glitter, glittery.
In the entire, you see, there are right now what you see is like, let's say 20
Odd stems.
So in that, voice is a part of it, which is 2 out of the 15 stems. So typically it needs to be treated as an instrument. You should be able to detach from it and look at it from a producer's perspective. What is the voice doing to the song, and what kind of a voice is driving the song? So voice casting also is very important. This could be sung by anybody. Even Sunidhi can ace it. Anybody can ace it. But at that point of time, Kanika's texture was so much in our minds that we thought that let's get her to sing this.
This is a trap piece which we felt had never come before in the music industry. It had a very break melody.
And just mix it with the Indian groove and see how lovely it sounds. Goes so well. On its own, you can't tell that it's gonna sound like that. Nobody will usually think of infusing this with an Indian beat.
The Indian song trap, people never knew before. It was the first time trap was introduced in a song. Electronic, full electronic. In the video, you see that the drummers and the whole band is coming and walking on it.
आइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ओ बेबी मेरे तेरे हिस्से आइयां वे
This we kept a little like chorus.
चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ओ
Solo
बेबी
was
मेरी चिट्टियां
up,
कलाइयां
but
वे
the second layer,
मन
the double track.
मैनू शॉपिंग करा दे
This was a solo.
मन जावे
But hook पे we wanted a little full. कलाइयां ना.
रिक्वेस्टा पाइयां वे
So that's how we kept it, so that there's more power to it. वैसे usually we always keep solo vocals, but of a singer, but we kept a double track so that there is more volume to it and there's more punch because it's a dancing song, heavy rhythm, so it had to come out.
And guitar, obviously, in these songs, you can't have the guitar overpowering the song, because eventually you want just the beat and the bass and with some effects. to do the dancing bit. So guitars cannot overpower. So guitars you need for a little. You see, it's like it's bouncy.
This we were talking to Tiger Style in London on the phone, and we told him ki we want something electronic like and he like uske baad to obviously he must have sat on his programming board, keyboard and all later, but he made it so much better.
इसमें ना सेकंड जो रैप आता है वो दैट बिकॉज पहले इंग्लिश आ गया था सब ये था, इसमें थोड़ा सा पंजाबी करते हैं एंड जैसे वेरी नेचुरली इट वाज घूमदे फिरदे सारी सिटियां सो एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड वाज दैट हम यू नो बिकॉज वी वर परफॉर्मिंग एट द वेडिंग्स एंड व्हाइल वी वर क्रिएटिंग दिस एंड देन यू नो हरमीदा वी वर टॉकिंग कैसे इन एवरी वेडिंग हाउ people are dancing on Baby Doll and how you know the kalaiyas and the chudiyas and all that. So it literally came like that in that. Ghumde phirde sari sitiyan mil giyan chittiyan kalaiyan ve tere hathan nu chunda renda kam to le liyan o chuttiyan ve.
कितनी प्यारी लाइन है कि छुट्टियां ले ली.
If we have to make it today, lyrical content will change. The entire narrative changed. Back then, girls were more dependent on their boyfriends and husbands, and it all changed in 10 years. Today, तो कहते हैं आज मैं तेनू shopping
कराती हूँ तेरे को आजा
तेरी
बेटा.
request. You know, it's changed now. Today, if we make this, girls may not like it. That why are we asking the guy? क्यों request करूँगी मैं shopping? I'll go and do it myself. So you have to keep changing yourself with time. Like today. The entire narrative has changed. So that's why ये lyrics हम आज नहीं बनाएंगे. आज हम बनाएंगे तो it'll be more progressive and it'll be more balanced, you know, that both could be requesting each other. It's not like for एक चीज के लिए आपको लड़के को request करनी है या लड़कों को लड़कियों को ही request करनी है. It's both ways now. So time sensitive होता है lyrics writing.
Chitte Kalaiya zone was not like dik chik, not like up tempo, hard house, techno. It was again a very hip hop, reggae. पहले बार Baby Doll तो was purely hip hop space. This is more like a hip hop and a reggae mix.
We wanted like slightly not very Indian sounds in it. तो अगर आप देखो म्यूजिक पीसेस जो हैं ट्रैप यूज हुआ है इसमें. देयर इज आल्सो एन एलिमेंट ऑफ हिप हॉप इन इट. इट्स नॉट टिपिकली इंडियन. हालांकि शादियों का सबसे बड़ा गाना है एंड टिल डेट लाइक दैट्स द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग एवरीबॉडी वांट्स अस टू सिंग. बट शादी वाला कोई एलिमेंट डाला नहीं हमने इसमें. इट डजंट साउंड लाइक अ वेडिंग सॉन्ग बट बिकॉज ऑफ आई थिंक दैट इट्स हैड द सेलिब्रेटरी एक वाइब है इस गाने के अंदर.
A proper fusion where you would say 70-80% is very urban and western and 20-30% because of the Kanika's voice. हमारे सारे गानों में से जितने भी गाने बनाए आज तक हमने उसमें से one of the favorite composition part is that मन जावे मैनू शॉपिंग करा दे रिक्वेस्टा पाइयां.
और रिक्वेस्टा पे पाजी से हमारी बहुत बहस हुई. देखा पाजी रिक्वेस्टा कोई वर्ड नहीं होता. उन्हें मेरे को उससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नहीं होता तो कोई बात नहीं. इसमें फिट हो रहा है.